So this is my unboxing of my XHDATA D-808. It finally arrived. It took a while. I ordered it on the 31st of January directly from the factory in China, the XHDATA website. It was posted or shipped only on the 7th of February because that time when I ordered was actually Chinese New Year by coincidence and everyone was on holiday. So it took a week to ship out of China. And then it took about a month to arrive in South Africa at customs, where it spent some time, and it took quite a while to actually be delivered to my house. But shipping was free, so I'm not complaining too much. And the price was good. It was $71. I also ordered a small wire antenna, this one, which was about $8, so it was about $80 for both of these. I haven't opened anything yet. This is exactly how it arrived from China, so it's packaged in these cardboard boxes. Both these items. I don't know what is inside. I am going to find out now. Right, XHDATA receiver, and this one is antenna. This I'm actually really looking forward to as well, because I think I can use this a lot to help me improve my reception. And there we go, tiny little thing. XHDATA AN80. Let's have a look. Yeah, here's our clip. And the antenna with the plug. Nice. You see, you need to manually move it back once you've used it. It's quite a long antenna, and I don't remember exactly what the length is. Oh, and there is also, of course, the clip if you want to just clip it to your existing antenna if you don't have an antenna outlet on the radio. I've got some small radios, my Eaton Elite Traveler, for example, and also the very small Texan R808 that I really like a lot. And my Retic SV115, all of those, they don't have antenna outlets, but I can use this. I can just clip it onto the antenna. And now the radio itself. Let's see, it's not sealed in any way. All in English. Explaining there what we have here. I've seen some other unboxing videos. Yes, inside we have another box, and then the radio itself will be in this box. Nicely packaged. We have the USB cable for charging. There's also an antenna that comes for free with this one. So we have that one. The radio itself. The manual, all in English, which I will look at. Nice XHDATA bag for the radio, packaged nicely in bubble wrap, and a little sleeve as well, so it's packaged quite safely and nicely. And there's our radio, finally. I'm very excited about this one. There's also a little card in here. Note: before using, open the battery back cover, remove the small card inside, correctly install the battery, then start using and enjoy it. Good. So all of that can go back into the box. I've heard some people say that this is quite difficult to open. There we go. Never seen these batteries before. No, 18650 battery. And there's a little card. Just remove it. Battery in that way. I think I will need to charge it because this one has been sitting in warehouses and shipping for months and months and months. Quite hard to get this back. There we go. Clicked in. And it's on. There is power. This is supposed to be the one with the orange screen. Yes, it's got the nice orange screen. Right, so this is what it looks like. I'm going to explore the radio itself later. Anyway, that's it. My XHDATA D-808. Quite hefty. It's got some weight to it. I will explore this in more detail later.